on, so you guys should be able to hear me now. So we're gonna do some car crashing, and this one's an offline game. If you want to know, put it. I'll show you it at the end. Just to let you know, guys, these videos do not do any. I do not edit any of these videos, so they're just plain videos. I think we should do made of let's do New York. Let's do Subway. Exploded. Jeez, how easy. Game on do higher because I could do some good crashing. And then,
Everyone keeps saying AI is going to replace filmmakers, but how likely is that actually? Honestly, I don't know. And that's exactly why I got curious. Instead of just listening to people arguing online,
I know. No. Usually when it does like that, it's like this button. Yo, why does it like? Why is everything I want to buy? I wanted me to buy it. And if you want to see more of these videos, then I could do these every day. Come on, guys.
everyone keeps saying AI is going to replace filmmakers, but how likely is that actually?
I just got... Bro, why does everything...
Honestly, I don't know. And that's...
I don't know that. And this is the game Drive. Let me see. So the game is called...
That's exactly why I got curious.
Wait, Drive CSX. That's what the game called.
Where the fuck did I take off my ring?
You know what?
I don't know.
You want to do something else?
I don't fucking know.
Let's doom scroll until we find J-Man Kelly. Maybe we should do.
This guy is Superman.
Do you have a this candle?
So I just came across.
This is a cup.
Give me a
100%.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. What the?
So I found this Gorilla Tag ghost mod, and there are 11 ghosts you can spawn. Eat my comically large spoon! Is that a mini-games, kid? Oh, brother, what do you want?
I just don't know how long it's gonna take to get there. The traffic's starting to pick up.
That's what
Yeah. Right now, usually